Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and expectations. Airpods must be charged and in pairing mode. Press and hold the case button until the LED blinks. You need a low-latency Bluetooth USB dongle that supports audio input and output. Stock Ps5 Bluetooth won't natively host Airpods for chat. Once you have the dongle, plug it into a front USB port, then put the controller nearby so you can quickly confirm settings. This saves time and prevents frustration when you move to pairing. Once the dongle and Airpods are in pairing mode, they will connect. Watch the dongle's LED for confirmation. Next, on your Ps5, go to Settings, Sound, then Output Device, and choose the USB audio device created by the dongle. Do the same for Input Device, so chat uses the Airpods mic. Make sure volume and microphone levels are adjusted in the same menu. If game audio and chat are separate, route both to the USB headset so you hear everything through your AirPods. You finish with verification and one key troubleshooting tip. Test both game audio and mic by joining a party or using the Ps5 mic test in Settings Sound. If the AirPods connect but the mic doesn't register, make sure the Ps5 shows the USB headset as input. If not, temporarily select the dual sense mic, then reconnect the dongle. The most common fix is reducing interference. Move closer, unplug other USB devices, or update the dongle firmware. If problems persist, use a dedicated low-latency adapter known to support headset mics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.